Welcome back. Today we're steaming up Caribbean classic steamed snapper fish with okra. Let's get into it. I've already washed and cleaned my fish. I'm gonna combine all the seasoning together. Maggi all-purpose seasoning, Scotch bonnet powder, onion powder, garlic powder, If you want the measurements, I'm gonna leave them down in the description box. Carrots, corn, green onions. I actually get these from my daughter's friend. From a daughter friend. She sent me channel and she gave me them and said I should use them to make something. Isn't that sweet? Nice and fresh. Ooh-wee. Okra. Add some coconut oil. You can also use butter if you want to, okay? Garlic, onions, bell pepper, pimento berries. Add some water. Add in the fish. Scotch bonnet pepper. Cover it up so the steam can work its magic for about 15 minutes, okay? Add in the okra, thyme, scallion, butter. Cover for 5 minutes. And some broccoli. Now it's time for the taste test. It's good. If you don't eat okra, you miss out. You know what you miss out on. This is so good and the fish is so fresh. It's not too much season overpowering it, you know. You can actually taste the fish. So flavorful. Like, what did you have for dinner today? If you enjoy this video, Wanna like up the video, I'm gonna ask again, like up the video, share the video, and also subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And who I do it, thank you and continue to do it. Thank you very much, okay? Bye guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Have a good day.